Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about the role of hydration in energy levels. Did you know that staying hydrated is the key to maintaining energy? Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and brain fog, and that's because water is what transports nutrients and oxygen all over your body. In fact, every function in your body relies on water in order to perform. And that means maintaining our energy as well. It also turns out that we can get very sluggish in our body because we can develop more mucus when we don't have enough water. Our body needs some sort of liquid to transport these nutrients. And so if you don't drink enough water, it will actually produce more mucus as the plan B if it doesn't have the water that it needs. So start your day with a glass of water. Sip it throughout the day, carry your water bottle with you, and make sure you're eating hydrating foods as well, like cucumbers and oranges and watermelon and celery, those kinds of things. And also know that the more grains that you eat, the more water your body demands in order to process those grains. So depending on what other foods you're choosing, you may need to hydrate more than you expect. So stay hydrated and stay energized. It's that simple.